I want to share a quick note for anyone who's really been digging into this course. The premium version of the Sokoban course is live, and before I fully lock it in, I'm opening a small feedback round. Whenever I release a bigger course, I like to have a few real developers go through it and tell me what actually lands. Things like where pacing feels off, feels like where pacing feels fast, or an explanation could be clearer. This isn't about changing the course, it's about polishing it. I'm inviting a very small group, around 3 to 5 people, to get free access to the premium course in exchange for thoughtful and honest feedback. I'm looking for people who actually follow along, think about design decisions, and can explain what clicked or didn't. If that sounds like you, leave a comment below and tell me your experience level with Phaser or JavaScript, what you're hoping to learn next, and why you're interested in helping provide feedback. And fill out a small form with your email and YouTube username so I know how to contact you. I'll reach out privately to a few people. If you're not interested or don't get selected, no worries. The course stands on its own and you'll still get full value from it. Thanks again for being here. Now let's get back to building.